In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom objects in Hubspot. Now, creating custom objects can be quite the game changer for your business, allowing you to tailor the platform specifically to your needs. Whether you're an experienced user or just starting out, stay tuned and follow along as I guide you through each step. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Hubspot website. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the Hubspot URL to get started. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice a login button sitting comfortably at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you have the option to sign in with Google. If you've already linked your Google account to HubSpot, this is a quick and easy way to access your account. Click on Sign in with Google and select the appropriate account to proceed. Once logged in, your next step is to go to the Settings area. You can find this again in the top right-hand corner of the interface. Clicking here will take you to a new screen where you can manage all sorts of options. An important part of setting up custom objects lies in these settings, so it's an area you'll want to familiarize yourself with. Now, within the settings, you'll find a section labeled Objects. Clicking into this section will open up some more options. Among these, you'll see Custom Objects. This is the part of HubSpot we're going to focus on today, so go ahead and click on Custom Objects. Once there, you should see an option to Create Custom Object. Clicking on Create Custom Object is where we start to build something unique to your business's needs. You'll now be prompted to type in the object name first in its singular form. For example, if you're creating an object for project, type it in singular form here. Next, you'll need to input the object name in its plural form. So in our example, you'd type projects. This helps HubSpot understand how to handle multiple records of this object. The next field is for the primary display property. This is the main property you'll see in lists and views, so choose something that makes sense for easy identification. After filling out these fields, you're ready to move on to the finishing steps. With everything filled out and double-checked, you can now simply click on the Create button. Once you do that, HubSpot will work its magic and your custom object will be created. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating custom objects in HubSpot. Custom objects can significantly enhance your data organization capabilities within the platform, offering a greater degree of control and personalization. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.